How to change vertical alignment in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Select your cursor where you want to change alignment. After you've clicked on there, at the top, click on Layout. In Layout, you will find Page Setup. Click on Page Setup. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up at the top. Click on Layout. After you've clicked on Layout, select Vertical Alignment and select the one you prefer. If you click on other options, you'll find different preview at the bottom. I'm simply selecting Center and make sure Apply to Each whole document and then press on OK. After you have done that, as I've selected Center, vertical alignment will change from the center. As I add words, it will shift it upwards. And this is how to change vertical alignment in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.